What's going on, you guys? Mr. Allen here. We're about to solve this nasty looking quadratic equation. My goodness, we got terms all over the place, both sides of the equal sign, multiple quadratic terms. Let's just start going. Let's get after it. All right, first off, I'm going to subtract 2x on both sides, and I like to put it where it's like term is going to be, and I'm going to add x squared to both sides. So now I have 3x squared plus 1x squared. That's going to give me 4x squared. I have 7x minus 2x. That's going to give me 5x. And then the plus 1 still stays as just plus 1. There was nothing added or subtracted with that. Now I need to deal with this being a lead coefficient style of factoring. So I'm going to use what's called the rainbow method. So the 4 and the 1 get multiplied together. I'm going to have 4 when I do that. I want to add to 5. I still want to add to that middle term. So it's going to be 4 times 1 gives me 4. 4 plus 1 gives me 5. And now I'm going to break this thing apart, and it's going to become 4x squared plus 4x plus 1x. I'll throw the 1 there just for fun. Plus 1 equals 0. And now I'm going to go ahead and group the first two terms and the last two terms and pull out a GCF from each, right? We set up factor by grouping when we're doing rainbow method. So now I'm going to take out a 4x here, and I'm going to be left with x plus 1. And in this other one, there's really no GCF here, so I have to at least take out a positive 1 as like a placeholder. So plus 1, and I'm left with x plus 1 here equals 0. Now I'm going to have 4x plus 1 as one of my factors. That's what's outside those parentheses. And then the like ones, the x plus 1 and x plus 1, that's actually a GCF of these two large terms. Hard to see it that way, but that is what's going on. And I'm going to have that as another term, x plus 1 equals 0. So now I can set my two factors equal to 0, the 4x plus 1 equals 0. Subtract 1 on both sides. I'm going to get 4x equals negative 1, and then I'll divide by 4 on both sides and get x equals negative 1/4. Boom, there's one answer. The other one is x plus 1 equals 0, and that one's pretty easy. We're going to subtract 1, and I'll get x equals negative 1, just a one-stepper right there. That's it. I know they're intimidating problems. It takes practice. You got this. I don't know what else I'm going to say. See ya.